So because y'all helped me to get 100 subscribers in 2 days, I have a treat for you. Let's go.
Juliet.
Hey everybody, you're watching Raheen's TV. Stick around.
Join Facebook groups. And I absolutely don't recommend doing sub for sub. Why? Because it's gonna hurt your channel in the long run. Persons will actually subscribe to you, and in a few minutes, in less than 2 days, they're probably just gonna unsubscribe from you. Before you start your channel, you must learn how to edit. You can't have a YouTube channel and don't know how to edit. You can use VideoLeap if you have an Android, and you can use iMovie if you have an iPhone. It's free. Start with what you have. You cannot put out a movie and there's no trailer. How am I going to know what I'm gonna watch? So before you create your channel, have an intro, let people know what it is that you do on your channel. So on my channel here, what I do reaction videos, pranks. I'm gonna be giving YouTube tricks and tips, saying business ideas, how to start your business, and probably a lot of stuff that you probably don't care about, but I'm still gonna post it anyway. So this is a tip that probably a lot of people stray from, but I'm gonna give it a replay. So asking for support for your channel, for persons to subscribe, don't only stick to asking friends and family. Actually, from I've started my channel, I've gotten more support from strangers than from friends. And it's not a bad thing. It's just that if persons aren't interested in your content, then there's really nothing that you can do. So first of all, I recommend that what you do is get trending topics and you make that video. You cannot make videos that you know absolutely nothing about. If you know nothing about a particular topic, how are you going to speak on it? Be aware of what you're talking about. What you can also do is use Google Trends. Google Trends will actually tell you things that are trending on YouTube and on the platform, and that will probably help you if you don't have any idea of what to post, you don't have any content ideas, that will help you. You have to get the attention of your viewers in the first 5 to 15 seconds. It's a must, because attention span for people can be pretty... You get me? Are they gonna just click right off your video? Just get to the point. There are a lot of small YouTubers out there and they would love your help. Give your genuine support. It only takes less than 5 seconds to hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting on? Let me give you 5 seconds. Thank you very much. Moving on. Make videos that match your personality. Don't make videos that when you go on camera you're super awkward, like, I love sports and my favorite footballer is Cristiano. See what I'm talking about? You cannot speak on something that you don't know about. You're going to seem pretty... Yeah. So make things that you're completely knowledgeable about. Alright? Post frequently on your social media platforms. If you even have Facebook, if you only have Instagram, just post. Post at least 1 to 2 times a day, because listen, remember now that Instagram and Facebook, pretty much all social media platforms, it's kind of challenging, because remember that there are lots of persons posting, like thousands of people posting like every second of the day. Chances are your video can get lost or your link can get lost, so ensure that you're promoting your content. Do not depend on your friends.
So this is going to be a pretty easy thing, because I have a lot of friends, and when I just send them the link, they're going to just immediately subscribe.
No, it's not like that. No one wants to go on your channel and see this. Absolutely not. You have to ensure that you have a proper profile picture and you have a channel banner. That is pretty important. There are a lot of free softwares out there that you can get and just experiment with. That's what I did before I started my graphic design business. So there are a lot of stuff out there that you can use, like a lot of free software. You really don't have to pay for softwares that you don't even know how to use them. You can definitely use like Canva, you can use PixArt. Like, we have a lot of videos on YouTube that will teach you how to edit. What are you waiting on? You can't have a YouTube channel without knowing how to edit. That is a must. Hey everybody, so my camera actually died, but if this video actually helped you in any way, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.